Welcome to Grow Your Greenhouse. Today I'd like to show you how to make a little bit of income, or a lot depending on what you do with it, from a tree. And this is a cedar tree, and every once in a while you have to cut the branches, and it's about ready to do that here, to cut some branches. And then this one is a perfect one here, and it's a perfect one for making 2 walking sticks because it's over 6 feet long there. And there's many of them in my other cedar trees, like you can see in the video here. And so we're going to make a walking stick from this. And all you need is a straight blade draw knife, and that's more than enough to be able to take the walking stick here, well, the material for it from the cedar tree, and then turn it into a beautiful varnished and even a little bit of turquoise inlay walking stick. And what I do is to season these and dry them by letting the sticks dry for 1 to 2 years. Once 1 year's up, you've got below 8% moisture content, and you just dry them, put them in your garage or storage place that's out of the weather, and they'll dry real nicely. And then you can use your spoke shave, your draw knife, and pull the bark off. You have to strap it down, and you don't have to do it in with a huge device. You don't have to make a big shave horse workbench sitting tool. You can do it in a different way, and I'll show that to you. I think what stops a lot of people from moving ahead is they feel like they have to build some big, huge tool to do something, but you don't. You just need a clamp. And this Jorgensen of 1623 clamp is great. You can put it on your workbench and clamp it down and turn it and do your spoke shave, and everything will be fine. That's how I did mine, and it's just great. One day maybe I'll want to build a seated spoke shave bench device, but then you have to store it. And this is really nice because you can make all of the cedar walking sticks you want without having a huge investment of time or money. And so that's how you use your draw knife of clamp down here, and then you just pull it. There's plenty of videos out there that show you how to do that. On Amazon, I found a top compass that can go and glue down with a little stud onto your top of your walking stick with epoxy. And I made the walking stick just the right height for a 7 to 8-year-old child. And then I put a little crook in it so that when you're holding it, it feels perfect in your hand, in the child's hand. And you can see that it's turned a little bit like that. So it's fun to do that. You do that with your sander, and then make that really nice like that. And then I put a little leather strap on there. You can buy all that stuff on Amazon, or at your big box store, wherever you go. But that's how you make a walking stick. And then I took and did a little bit of a turquoise inlay here. And so I had a little bit of a natural imperfection, so I made an inlay with that. That just gives it a little bit of character. And I put about 4 coats of a good spray spar varnish on there, so it'll withstand the test of many years. But that's how you can make a walking stick from a tree. Isn't that the coolest thing? And so as you're out there doing things and wondering what you need to do to maybe get some income or make gifts for people, that's a perfect way to do it, by making a beautiful walking stick. Well, thanks for coming to Grow Your Greenhouse. Have a wonderful day.